Can you show us what you know how to do now? Can you show us what you can play? Yeah, pretty amazing, huh? Those bars are neat. Aren't they neat? You are a little monkey. You are a little monkey. Mommy's little monkey. Show us all the things you know how to do. Good girl. Good girl. That's pretty neat, huh? That's pretty neat. Now what are you going to do? Now what are you going to do? Gonna grab the bear. Oh, that's how you push yourself over to get the bear, huh? That's good, Azra. Good girl. Gonna keep pushing till you get to that bear, huh? Keep pushing till you get to the bear. Oh, now you reach the zebra. The nervous zebra. There you go. You couldn't reach him a little while ago, but you figured it out. You figured out how to get him, huh? Now are you gonna, oh, you almost have the bear. You almost have the bear. You almost had the bear. You wanna show us your ladybug book? You wanna show us your ladybug book? There you go. There you go. You love to read your ladybug book, don't you? Thank you. I saw the ladybug book very, oh, stompity stomp, huh? Good girl. Those are nice kicks. What nice kicks. Those are some nice kicks. Can you smile? What are you saying? You want to sing Baka's song? Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. Oh, gesundheit. Ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. Ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. Ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Ooh, ee, ooh, ah, ah. Ting, tang, wada, wada, bing, bang. Who sings that song to you? It's that Baka Mo's song. It's that Baka Mo song. Show us some more toys. Can you reach more toys? I see Wiggles behind you. I see Wiggles behind you. Do you want to play with Wiggles? Here's Wiggles. There's Wiggles. There you go. Oh, yum. Worm soup, huh? Yum. What are you doing with Wiggles? Oh, getting under the tummy, huh? Getting under the tummy. You almost had it, but I think your zebra's in the way. We have a zebra casualty here. Where are you going, Beans? Where are you going? Oh, you're having problems today, huh? Wiggles doesn't taste very good, does he? He's a worm. He's a worm. Okay, say ciao. Bye, Azra. Bye, Azra. She's like, leave me alone and let me play. Okay. Bye.